I would like to pay my gratitude respect to Mr. Basari, the main rector of Skyline International School, all venerable friends, manager, judges, teacher, and welcome to all participants. Good morning. My name is Hire Thanara. I am 13 years old. I am a student in level English Time 5 at Skyline International School, Takla campus. Today, in this meeting moment, I would like to share something special with all of you with a remarkable topic which is about why cell phone should not be allowed in school. Okay, let me tell you. There are many reasons why cell phone should not be allowed in school and in the Asia. I will present some of them. Firstly, cell phone can be a major distraction in the classroom, both for the student using them and for those around them. Secondly, cell phone can be used to cheat on tests and exam, compromising the integrity of the assessment process. Thirdly, cell phone can be a source of cyberbullying and harassment with students using them to send hurtful messages or share embarrassing photos. Fourthly, cell phone can be a security risk with students potentially using them to coordinate illicit activity or access inappropriate content. To sum it up, cell phone are making us lazy and we don't even know what to do with them. I think that it is a good idea for parents to teach their kids how to use technology more responsibly. It is dislike the kid to listen to their parents how instruction go on when it is right and wrong time to use their phone. And finally, I would like to say thank you so much to rector, teacher, and everyone for spending the golden time listen to my presentation. I hope you all enjoy and get my opinion in this speaking. I wish the rector, teacher, and everyone here get the best luck. Thank you.